Hey everyone, so it's Lush Lover 54. My hair is a little crazy, but it was pictured in today, so whatever. Anyway, so I ordered something from eBay, and it's my iPhone case. I have a lot more packages coming, but I think this is like the first one. So yeah, and I'm really excited, and I wanted to share it with you, so I'm gonna open it. Here we go. I'm really excited. I have no idea which one it is. So yeah. Ooh. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay. So it is this one. It's pink and white. Yeah, so let's check it out. It's so cool! Ooh, it is really awesome. I'm so excited! I can't open it. I have no idea how to open this. Oh, here we go. Haha, right here. Yeah. And I guess this can come off. Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah. So, that's it. I was just really excited and I want to share it with you. And I'll have a lot more of these videos later in like October, like September. Some are coming in September and some are coming in October. So yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. Yerp. I'm really excited. So thanks for watching. Bye.